Meet the mother of thousands, also known as alligator plant or devil's backbone. It's a succulent plant native to Madagascar, and it can become very invasive because it multiplies easily. It's called an alligator plant because the leaves look like an open alligator mouth and have patterns similar to an alligator's skin. Propagating this plant is super fun. You can put a leaf on top of soil and it starts growing plantlets on the leaf margins. You can then transfer these plantlets to soil and they start growing very fast. And before you know it, you have thousands of baby plants.